Hey, this is Joey at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you this Maxx-D trailer we just got in. This is a 40-foot full tilt trailer. Walk around, show you some of the features we add to it and what we got on it. Now, it's gooseneck. I've got the two 12,000-pound axles on this. So this was rated at 25,900. Gooseneck coupler, heavy-duty safety chain, sealed wire and harness front to back. You've got your standard adjustable gooseneck coupler. There is a spare tire mount inside the gooseneck tongue here. It'll fold down to where you can get it off. I add a solar charger, so there'll also be a solar charger for the battery up here. Now inside this toolbox here is going to be your pump. It's got a 4-way button remote, so you can operate the hydraulic jacks or the tilt from the remote or from the wireless remote. I did it with the hydraulic jacks. That is an upgrade on it. And then we've added several options you can see. The lights going down the side, there's plenty of lights. Those are all standard options, LED options. And we'll go ahead and tilt it up. All right, we've got a step here on the side where you can get up on the side when you got it down. 2 toolboxes up here on the front, gives you plenty of storage for your chains and your binders. You've got a big heavy-duty I-beam frame underneath it. There's a safety latch there, or a bar there for if you got to work on the hydraulics underneath it. They do a scissor lift underneath it on all their full tilt models. This one has the 22,000-pound Warrior winch. We've got it mounted up there with the winch mount. Fair lead, cable runs down nice and secure underneath there. And this little toolbox here is going to be the hydraulics. We've upgraded this one to the electric over hydraulic brakes. Not only is it electric over hydraulic, it's upgraded to the disc brakes. So you've got the better electric over hydraulic brake system as well as the better disc brake system. You've got heavy duty tires on there, the 17.5 inch. It's got a treated 2x8 wood decking down the bed of it here. You've got steel tread plate over top of the fenders where they're for your tires and your tilt, that way it doesn't interfere with each other. The LED light bar folds in underneath the back, that way it's out of the way when you're loading everything up on it. Now they do these with a number of options. I didn't add to this one. This is my standard model and how I do it most often. Like I said, it's a 12-ton, 40-foot full tilt Maxx-D trailer. This comes in 26 and 40-foot models, anywhere in between there as well. Comes to us today, we'll get you one of these. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.